Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to find and enable two-factor authentication settings in HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. So, first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once your main dashboard loads, we're ready to locate the security settings and protect your account with an extra layer of verification. In the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard, click Your Profile Picture. From the drop-down menu, choose Account and Billing. This opens your main account settings panel where all your security and billing options live. On the left-hand side, click on Security. This section controls everything related to login protection, device sessions, and two-factor authentication. Scroll down until you see the two-factor authentication area. Here you'll be able to see whether two-step verification is currently turned on or off for your user account. If it's not enabled yet, click Set up two-factor authentication. HubSpot will now guide you through choosing your preferred verification method. You can use an authenticator app, receive SMS text codes, or set up a backup email option depending on what works best for you. After choosing your method, HubSpot will send you a verification code. Enter that code on the screen and click Verify. Once the code is accepted, your two-factor authentication is activated immediately. From this point forward, every time you log into HubSpot, you'll need both your password and a one-time verification code, adding a strong layer of protection to your account. If you're a super admin, you'll also see an option to require two-factor authentication for all users in your organization. Turning this on forces everyone on your team to use two-step verification, which is highly recommended for businesses that store customer data and sales information inside HubSpot. And that's it. That's how to find and enable two-factor authentication in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. It only takes a minute to set up, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your account secure. Thanks for watching,